Hello, my name is Sylvie Pelletier from Gestisoft, and today I will present to you the customer service portal. So the goal of today is for the training is to first of all teach you how to log in into the portal, then present to you the homepage and where you can navigate through the different options, looking at the customer service success plan, and how to manage your incident, your service request, and return at the end a little return on the objective. So at the end of the training, you'll be able to, first of all, log in into the portal, and you'll be able as well to know the elements of the portal and to create and process and view incidents and service requests. So in order to log into the portal, the first thing you need to know about the portal is that it's a place where you will be able to receive a certain level of service based on your contact information, meaning that when you will log into the portal, you'll be able to see the different cases that's been open within your organization, as well as the different cases that you opened yourself as a member of your organization. So when we talked about incident versus service requests, incident means when something is not working anymore within your system, whether it's Business Central or CRM. So meaning that something was working properly and all of the sudden it's not working anymore. So you would log an incident. And you have service requests, which is something new that you would like onto your CRM, like an add-on or a modification of an element that would be important for your business. So in order to log in, first of all, you will receive, once you communicate with Gestisoft, we will sending you an invitation code through email. So within that email, you'll get a link that will take you directly onto the portal. It's very important that you do not share this email because it is unique to your contact, meaning that if you share that email with a colleague, the colleague will basically get your information. So if they log into the portal and try to open cases, they will be opened under the name of the person who first received the email. So very important, everyone needs to get their own invitation code. Once you get your invitation code through the email, you'll be able to click on the link, which will take you directly onto the portal. You don't need to copy paste the code, which is you'll see it's a very long code. You don't need to copy paste it. It's going to be already there available within the portal. So you only have to click send verification code, then fill in your email address. You'll see afterwards an example. You'll be filling up your address, click on sign up now, and then you will select your password and as well receive an email for confirmation that you that the right email was used. So for the first login, like I said, you'll be entering your email address right here. You'll click on send verification code. You'll get via email an email from Microsoft asking you to confirm that it is actually your email address. Then afterwards, you'll be able to log into your password. So create a new password and confirm your password. It is very important to understand that this password cannot be recovered by Gestisoft, meaning that we do not keep any record of that password. So once you need to keep it somewhere, because otherwise we will not be able to reset it or give it back to you. So you'll have to reset it yourself, or you'll need to receive a new invitation code. So once you're done your registration, you will be able to connect onto the portal. So you'll be clicking onto the button signing on the right hand top corner. Then you'll be prompted to write your email address and your password, and you'll land right away onto your profile, which typically will be filled up with your information that we have on record here at Gestisoft. So typically we'll have already your first name, last name, your email, probably your phone number and your title. So you can change this information if it's not correct anymore. And you'll be able to put information if you want to be contacted by us, like what's the mean that you prefer for contact. And then you click on update. So the portal homepage basically have a ribbon that I will show you after, where you'll be able to either click on select support to enter new incident and service request. You also have a button that can take you to the customer success plan, which allow you to, if you want to change your plan or create, like have a new one. And you'll be able also to change your language from French to English and back and forth. And you'll be able to see your profile as well and the homepage. So within the homepage, on the front page, you'll be able to create incident, service request, and look at your business information to make sure that all the information is accurate. For a quick tour of the customer success plan, basically is there'll be like a button that will allow you to talk to a consultant, book an appointment with a consultant if you want to talk about the plan a little bit more. And like create like to consult whether you have like interest for it, or you can also book an appointment with a consultant if you have a specific question, like your monthly subscription or different the number of license that you have or something like that. For the incident management, like I told you before, what is an incident? It's basically it includes like any form of disruption to your organization IT service that affects like either an individual user or many different users. So if you have any difficulty with your system, you can log into the portal and explain what is the situation. So on the top end, you'll be able to decide whether you want to create a new incident or whether you want to consult the already open incident. So whether you want to know like a open incident, which one, where the consultant is at with your case, and to understand like what is the status, what information has been exchanged. You'll be able to communicate directly with the consultant within the portal as well. Same thing for the resolution of the incident. You'll be able to cancel or accept or approve open ticket within the portal. So you'll simply have to edit one of your case, and the portal will take you through different steps to see if it's resolved for you or not, if you approve the resolution, and if you reject it or decline the resolution. If you Furthermore, if the consultant is done with the incident resolution, typically you'll receive an email that will explain to you what was the resolution of the case and asking you whether you accept the resolution or if there's still a problem with your system. You'll be able to approve or reject directly within the email. So you have two choices to accept the resolution. It could be within the portal or within the email. We give ourselves 48 hours to automatically close the cases. So if we don't hear from you after 48 open hours, like working hours, the case will simply be closed automatically. Of course, it can always be reopened if the problem reoccur later, but typically it'll get automatically closed after 2 days. So when you modify your incident, you'll have different buttons basically that will allow you to resolve the issue. So you'll be able to click on resolve the ticket, decline the resolution, which will get back to the consultant, asking them to look at the situation again, and they will contact you to understand what is the issue. Or you can go back to the list of case that's already open. We also present like different status of each incident that you can understand what's going on with the case. So to be processed mean that it was not assigned to a consultant yet. In progress mean that the consultant started working on your incident. Pending client approval, this is when the incident is resolved and we waiting for you to approve the resolution. Resolve mean that the resolution was approved by you and we basically close the case. And we also have the cancel status, which is when you would say fine, like turns out we resolved the problem ourselves, or it stopped, like everything's fine now, so we cancel the incident. For the service request management, it's a little bit different. So like I said, the service request is really when you want to add something or adjust something within your system, which you can put the request within the portal. Just like the incident, you'll be able to either consult the service request that's already open. You'll be able to create your one and evaluate like if what was fixed to your system was up to your need. So there's different paths when you evaluate the service offer. So basically, within the portal, when there's a service offer that's sent by you, we'll evaluate how long we think that the service will take. Within the portal, you'll find the time that was estimated and what the consultant think they'll need to do to do the service request. You'll be able within the portal to approve the service offer or reject it. If you decide to reject the service offer, you'll get an email or within the portal asking you the reason why you want to reject the service offer. If you approve the service offer, the consultant will simply work on your demand and contact you to align with the different steps of the service demand. And a second email will be sent to you afterwards when the service is completed for you to accept the service. So this is typically the kind of email that you'll receive with the estimated hours that we think it's going to take, the solution that we propose for your service demand, and you can reject or approve the proposition. Within the portal, you can also approve the offer or decline the offer, just like mentioned before. So. And if you decide to decline the service offer, you'll be taken to a different page asking you the reason why you think that the service offer is not answering your need. So to the approval of the service provided, you'll have it's basically the message is to confirm the approved and the status will be completed, and to if you reject the service that was given, you'll get also an email asking like the reason for the rejection. And just like the incident, you'll have different status for the service request that you can follow. So under evaluation means that the consultant haven't decided yet how long like it would take to make the service. Once the estimation is completed and the email is sent to you for approval, the status of the service request will be submitted but pending with the client approval. Once it's approved, the first status will be that it's not started yet until the consultants start working on your case. Then you'll see the new status, which is approved and started. And then once the service is provided, it'll be pending your approval to make sure that everything was fine. And once you approve the work, the status will be either completed or refused if you don't accept the resolution, like the service that was provided. So if we return on to the objective, we saw how to log into the portal. We know the elements of the portal, and we know how to create, process, and view incident or service requests. So I will present to you a live demo. Okay, so within the portal, like you'll be able to, first of all, connect to the portal. Once you put your email address and your password, you click on connect. You're then able to select the language that you want the browser to be. Then you know that you log in because your name appears on the home page. You'll be able to, first of all, manage your different incidents. So if you click on manage incident, you'll see the different cases that's been open right here. You'll be able to create new incident right here, which will take you through a series of questions. So like you'll have to write the incident title, decide which product that you have problem with, and to confirm whether the incident was actually a dysfunction or whether it was a service request. So if you say yes, you will be proceeding within the opening of an incident. If you say no, you'll be taken into a service request. So it takes a little while because the system is creating the case right now. So first of all, you need to present the problematic of what's going on. So the more you put information, the better. So we'll know exactly what is the issue. Then afterwards, you will write the different step of the incident, so we understand what happened and we can easily help you with the issue. Then you'll be able to write like how long that has been the issue has been known. So select the date when it started, how many people that it impacted, so one user or many users. You can also enter the name of the user. So if it's, for instance, a security role issue, we'll be able to test right away, like what role is missing. And you also have to write what is the impact on operation. So if it's a complete shutdown or if it's a partial impact or minimal impact. You can also add documents like pictures or things like that will be attached to your case right here. You can also communicate within this section with the consultant if you want to exchange different information. And at the end, you'll have like the summary of your ticket. And afterwards, very important to click on View Incident if you because it basically closes your incident. So to consult the incident afterwards, you just have to click here. You can either view the details of the incident that you just created, or you can edit the information that were added. When you edit the incident, you'll be able to either cancel the ticket if the incident is not completed, or if it's ready to be resolved or approved, the resolution is approved or not, you'll be able to do so right here within the edit. For the service request, same thing, except that the creation is a little bit easier, meaning that you only have to write a few lines in the title because it's basically a service request. So we don't need so many information like an incident. So you basically write your title, select your product, and write the description of the service request. Same thing for consulting the service request. You only need to edit or modify the service request, and you can also approve the service offer within the edit. For your business information, you can come here and you'll see like the different information about your license, like your product, your tier, and things like that. And here you'll be able to look at your profile if you need to, and also you'll be able to consult the different customer success plan. So if you want to information about it, and you can click here to talk with an advisor, which will take you directly into a calendar for just to have a date with a consultant, a meeting date. So this is basically what the portal is. So thank you for listening and have a great day.